Yo, starting off today with Earn by Time. That's a really cool blinker you didn't use. Nice. As I was saying, starting off the day with Earn by Time, current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going 3 miles.
Good morning, what can I get for you today? Here's the drinks. 1 second for the order, okay? Here you go.
Thank you.
Got it there, started there, okay?
You too.
Do you have the order for Skylar? They just gave me another one for Skylar.
Cool.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, just as I was about to pull off, they gave me that add-on. I think it said it was going an extra 2.5 miles, something like that. Oh, the second order is a no tip. Okay, I guess we're taking our sweet time. Total for those two was $13, and yeah, that second drop-off was a no tip. Next up is a Taco Bell going 2.5 miles. Oh, this guy thinks he's hilarious, by the way. He set his DoorDash name as Bofa DN. I wonder what that means.
Hey, what can I get started for you this morning?
Okay, we go.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $7. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going 4.5 miles. Total for that one was just under $9. Oh, weird. I didn't even get the notification for this order, so I almost missed it, but we've got a Seize the Bagel. This is going about 5 miles. Total for that one was $9 and change. Another decent one. I'll take it. Next order up is going to be a McDonald's, $7 going 2 miles. Next up, we've got a stacked 7-Eleven. This is $10 going 4 miles. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 2 miles, 3 items. Well, that's kind of annoying. The same customer ordered another shopping order, which means I need to go drop this off, go back to the store, and then come back. And even better, the gate is closed with no gate code in the notes. This is fun. And of course I needed a pin for that, but no reply at the door, even though I just called you for the gate code like 2 minutes ago. I don't think I ever said what this new shopping order was. It's like $7 going 2 miles, 2 items.
Even if you feel healthy, help protect yourself from serious things. Talk to your pharmacist today about a booster. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is another shop and deliver. Luckily, not for the same customer. This one is $9 going 5 miles, only 1 item. Got this one right away. This is a Starbucks, $10, going about 3.5 miles.
So it's like a
Thank you. Got this one as I was dropping off. This is a Seize the Bagel, $9, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles. Just got an add-on order for El Jefe, Birria, and Tacos. This one's going 6 extra miles, and it's going across the river, so not amazing, but... yeah, no but. It's just not amazing. But we're doing it anyways. Thank you. Me too. Here's the next pickup right across the street. I really hope this other drop off across the river is easy because I've got like no information on it. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. And both of those were no tips. Very nice, very cool, very awesome. Glad I wasted all that time on those two. Total for that was $11. And I am really far away from home, so let's start driving. I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:40. Total will be on screen right now. I'm waiting on a bunch of Uber tips, so I have no idea what the total is gonna be. But anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.